I'm gonna show you how InstaZign is like your very own, and in literally one click, if I wanna create, just click on size, and I can create all these different banner sizes that I can entire graphic. I can change out the background if I want. I can change out the text. I can add different things like I can add overlays and transparent photos. I can add visual stripes to there. I can also add whatever text. Let's say that we wanted to change some things out. If I go over here to background, I can click on this and upload my own background. It's gonna go ahead and swap out that background for me. I can delete the old background, and now I have a completely different design just like that. I can thinner it, I can move it in or move it out. I can also add a color overlay to the entire graphic, and I can choose the color on that I want as well. Delete or add shapes and other things to my design. All I'm gonna do is uncheck that. I'm gonna go ahead and select the things that I want to group together. I'm gonna group them, create that graphic in all those different sizes for me. Then if I wanna load that into the designer, any one of these, I can download them all as images, click on that, load it into the designer, and then if I wanna publish it to social, this is awesome. I can put in a link to send traffic anywhere I wanna go, and then all I have to do is go down here and click post, and I'm social media team all in one. And this is just the start of the features of what you can do with InstaZign.